What up guys? So, like I said to you earlier, splitter, we've sanded it down. As you can see now, we've given it a nice fine texture. I just need to wipe it down. I've done the same with the splitter. I've done the same with the side skirts. So yeah, wipe it down, get all the crap off it after being sanded, and then it's one light coat with the Plastidip. Once you've done a light coat, and then leave it 10-15 minutes or whatever it says on the tin, I can't remember. Go for a heavier coat, then a heavier coat, and then a heavier coat after that. But when you overlay in the heavy coat, you want to make sure all like the wet goes through together. Yeah, so once we've done that, well, I'll catch back once I've wiped it down. Now we've wiped it all down, what we're going to do is we're going to shake the cans up first, get them nice and like mixed up because they've been sat there for a good few months. Get all the paint reactivated in it, and then we're going to do our first coat. So I've already done a test because they've got two nibs with this. You get a red one and a black one. You want to make sure that the red one's a thicker tip, we want the thinner one, so the white one's the thinner one. You can do another spray test quickly. Yeah, it's all coming out nicely. So as I said earlier, it's just literally a thin coat for the first one. So as you can see on the white, it's now gone all really dusty. If that's what you want for your first coat. It's been 10 to 15 minutes now. Second coat, we're going to apply slightly thicker now. We're going to get it in more directions, apply it slightly thicker all over, just generally try and get it to start piecing as one colour. Once you've done this, then after this stage you can go for full layers and full coverage. What we'll do is we'll get to do this now and then we'll crack on. As you can see, we have completed 2 coats and the quality is still showing up the sanding marks. So what we need to do is just crack on, keep laying it, we're going to start laying it down thicker now. So it's like the 2 base coats are sort of done. Now we'll lay down some heavy product and hopefully get rid of all the sanding marks. But I'd rather have them there and it grip properly instead of it not, but we've got loads of paint to use anyway, so. So we've completed them. This is what they look like. This is just the metallic black. Thing is, you can't really see with the sun and it looks really weird and patchy because of how the sun and how the metallic's laid. But you get the gist. So what we're going to do now is exactly the same principle with the gloss. So it's one thin coat and then one thick coat, and that is all it is. And once we've done that, we've got to leave them to set for about half hour so it's safe to touch, and then 24 hours so it's solid. So yeah guys, that is it complete. You can't really see the gloss in this, like in the angles, but yeah, done. The only problem with going outside, you do get a little bit of bobs on it, but I'm not really particularly bothered because like majority of this will be underneath the car anyway. Yeah, so happy days. That's it. I'm gonna let that set for a solid 24 hours and then we're gonna have to do the install and that'll be the fun part. Yeah, guys and girls, as you can see, splitters, side skirts are all down there. Thanks again for watching the video, it's been much appreciated. Please like, comment and subscribe, as I always say. And now I'm going to go and crack on and finish filming the other bits and bobs that I've been doing today. So yeah, thanks again for watching and it's been a pleasure, and peace out and see you next time. See ya.